Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Right here in this video, I'll be teaching you how to be any free USDT from this amazing site. So watch me to the very end to know vivid guide on how to make your withdrawal and how to make invite to earn more invite and also quantifier. So guys, the first step which I'll be teaching you is how to recharge. Hit up on recharge. By hitting up on recharge, you need to make use of this or network, any one of your choice. The BIP 20 USDT, your TRS 20 USDT, your TRS, your BNB, your BIP 20 USDT. So I'll be making use of BIP 20 USDT wallet address. So I'll copy it and go to my exchange, make the minimum recharge to unlock VIP. Once I've finished unlocking the VIP, hit up on recharge complete. Once you hit up on recharge complete, you have automatically purchased a boot. So before making any recharge, do well to make your personal research concerning the cipher. I'm not a financial expert to give you financial guide in order not for you to lose your coin. So the next step is how to make invite. Hit up on invite. By hitting up on invite, you have to beat up the thing and get generous reward. So this is my invitation link. I'll be leaving it on the description and the comment section on the video. Click on it and get yourself registered and start earning daily of every valid invite which you make. So by hitting up on view, you have to then know your total invite of people, the invitation valid invite of number of people, the report, and also as you can see the level you having your commission based on your level. In your level 1 you'll be having your percentage, in your level 2 you'll be having your percentage, and in your level 3 you'll be having your percentage. After that, I will show you how to make quantifier and how to make instant withdrawal from this side. So stay tuned as I show you how to make quantifier. By hitting up on quantifier, as you can see, it's up from VIP 1 down to your highest VIP, which is VIP 14. So for you to unlock VIP, as I earlier told you, hit up on click, you hit up on confirm. It will also redirect you back. Hit up on this, then make your recharge. And before making recharge, do well to make your personal research on. But I'm not a financial expert. So remember, you can also make only one time quantifier a day on this site. So by making quantifier, hit up on quantifier, the both which you purchase will automatically start queuing up, start quantification, and start executing buy order, executing sell order. So after that, you earn your percentage of today, and tomorrow by this same time you make another withdrawal. As you can see, we have this 2.00 USDT we are going to make withdrawal. So hit up on me. Once you hit up on me, as you can see my asset, I have 12 total of USDT, and I will have 2 revenue of USDT which I'll be making withdrawal. So you watch me as I make instant withdrawal by hitting up on withdrawal. By hitting up on withdrawal, we're going to make it of 20 USDT. Let's set up to the wallet address, copy the wallet address, come back to the site. Once you come down, pressing the wallet address, when you long paste it, you enter the amount which is 2.00, then enter your wallet address. Once you enter your wallet address, then we'll make instant withdrawal from this site straight up to our wallet address to be sure that the platform is really unique. So hit up on confirm. Once you hit up on confirm, you can see where we do this amount of USDT. Let's confirm in our wallet. See right here, we have made withdrawal of the 2.00 USDT, and the platform is really unique and amazing. Thank you for staying with us. Stay tuned for the next video coming your way. If you are new to my YouTube channel and the video is valid to you, don't forget to hit up on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, give the video a thumbs up and a comment pending when new update will be dropping so that you get notified.